This is the beginning of my new face paint kit. This is a Pelican case. And there is a metal insert inside it that, well, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Has two trays that raise up just like that, like a tackle box. And then these pieces flip open. The lids are magnetic. These, well, they're stainless steel, so they can be they're magnetized. So my plan is to put magnetic, oh, here's something, paints on the back side here and in the bottom here. Now this is aluminum, so it's not magnetic, but we'll use Velcro, or just place the paints here in the bottom. I haven't decided just yet. Inside the bottom of my kit, go meet one of the water reservoirs. We created this, it's in the other room. We created this specifically with enough space in between the trays so that my water basin can stay in my kit, and there's enough room for the handle in between the trays. So Sean just went to go get one of the water basins that I have so we can put it down in here. There's going to be a backsplash here. We haven't decided if it's going to be metallic or if it's going to be magnetized or if it's going to be Coroplast. Haven't decided yet. So this is the water basin that I use. It's a three space water basin, and when this is closed, it leaves enough space for the handle. So one of the things that I couldn't do with my previous kit was leave the water basin in it, so I had to constantly have a secondary piece of equipment. So I'm looking forward to being able to just, everything is self-contained, and then when I'm finished I can close this up and it's on wheels. One of the reasons why we did this kit was because my previous Pelican case that I've been using was not on wheels, and I was sad because I always had to carry it.